Welcome to Tiafo Garage. Today we are going to drain the oil on the Porsche because recall that on the Porsche we have a oil tank that is behind this fender for 72 only. It's got that access cap. Since I'll be messing with the fender here, I need to get that tank out. Just as a sort of mulligan to the last oil change video. So again, I've drained this. Again, I didn't film it. And now I'm gonna drain the side tank. This time, I just have this vessel. I think it'll be big enough for the oil that's in that tank. Now that we've got the oil out, we gotta figure out how to remove this. We got the oil tank out and loose. If you're interested in seeing what comes next, which is removal of the fiberglass flares and attempting to weld on the steel ones, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Tiafo Garage.